All right, so you missed today's video discussion. No worries, you'll still be able to get credit for today by completing this written discussion of the Cold War. First couple of housekeeping things, you will be able to redo the mini unit 12, read and check tomorrow from 8 to 12. All right, so what do you have to do? You have two questions you need to respond to. First is who started the Cold War? Explain why you think this. And second is how did the Cold War proxy wars help to achieve, maintain, and or threaten world peace? Be sure to discuss the Korean War, Cuban Missile Crisis, Vietnam, and Soviet-Afghan War. So you can make use of the materials from class over the last couple of weeks. I would definitely encourage you to go back and do it. It'll make your lives much easier. All right, you must make 3 posts on your initial post. So the very first post, it needs to be 2 paragraphs, one for each of these questions here. Make sure you use clear and specific information from throughout the lesson. Second, you need to respond to 2 of your classmates directly in a post of 2 to 4 sentences again, and it must be, again, making use of clear and specific information. You have to go beyond and saying, that's a great post, period. This should be a discussion, so you need to move it along. As always, the academic integrity expectations for all assignments unless stipulated otherwise. For our teacher's response must be in your own words, not cut and pasted. Even when permitted to collaborate with others, a purpose citation must be used to gather information from other sources. Otherwise, I hope all is well, and that is it for, not it. You have until Friday at 3 o'clock to complete all 3 of these posts. As always, if you have any questions, please email, and I hope all is well.